I never ever felt this way until you had to say goodbye. A feeling of loss so intense, it's like I actually might die. I can eat, I can sleep, your face is all that I see. My chest feels so tight that sometimes I can't even breathe. For it's not like you just moved from one town to the next. Where you gone, I cannot follow unless I take drastic step. Just occurring on us normal feels like I'm saying that I don't care. But I don't know what else to do. My God, this isn't fear. I'm told need to get through this, that things get easier in time. But it's the worst feeling I ever known, to be the one who's left behind.